Dr.LEO here. Welcome back to my podcast. Let's be honest. These days, most people feel like life is upside down. Stress everywhere, social media distractions, mental health struggles, and what about your dreams? They actually get buried under the weight of survival, isn't it? But there's one thing, a powerful tool, yet often ignored: discipline. Yes, when everything is falling apart, discipline is what keeps you standing. And today, I want to share a real story that proves this better than anything else. The story of Cristiano Ronaldo, one of the greatest footballers of the world has ever seen. We all see Ronaldo today: fame, trophies, wealth, millions cheering his name. Let me take you back to his childhood, back in Portugal. Ronaldo wasn't born to luxury. He shared a small room with his siblings. His family struggled financially. But even as a child, Ronaldo had one thing: unshakable discipline. At just 11, he left his home, his family, his friends to join in a football academy in Lisbon. Imagine a young boy alone in a new city, fighting homesickness, poverty, criticism. But did he give up? No. While other kids played video games, Ronaldo trained every single day. He ran laps when no one watched, practiced even in rain, worked on his body, his speed and skill endlessly. Was his life easy? Absolutely not. He faced injuries, insults, setbacks, but his discipline never broke. That's why today, he isn't just a footballer, he became a legend. Listen to me. We can't control life's chaos, but we can control our habits, our routines, our mindset. When your world feels upside down, discipline keeps your dreams right side up, choosing progress over comfort, saying no to distractions, showing up daily for your goals. The world may feel uncertain, your life may feel messy, but discipline, that's your anchor. Be disciplined with your time, your health, your dreams. Because in the end, discipline beats chaos. Discipline builds success. And ultimately, discipline creates legends. Thank you for listening to me. This is Dr. Leo signing off. Stay connected, stay motivated.